What's up guys, Sam here, and today covering a new Victorinox knife. Let's check it out together. Here we go you guys, let's check it out together. We have the blue exterior. This is a plastic casing on the exterior, dark navy blue, and we have a navigation, or you can say a compass logo, Victorinox logo over here. Let's check out the contents of this tool set. We have one tweezer, and here we have a toothpick. Okay. And we have a small, long Phillips screwdriver and a cork opener on this side. Let's see, what else do we have right here? We have a reamer and a thread hole. On the other side, we have Swiss Army's amazingly sharp large blade. Okay. Let's see this side. Can opener, cap lifter as well. And over here, cap lifter. Okay. And this is a unique looking tool, which is called a shackle opener. Okay. And we have a pair 1 plier. What else do we have? And that's about it. Bunch of tools. You know, I really like this knife. It has so much, and it still looks very good. You know, it doesn't look very bulky. It's very neat. And as always, the Swiss Army, they create amazing products, amazing knives. And if you guys are wondering, what is this? This is the safety lock for the large blade. So if I want to open the blade up, basically you're triggering the safety lock, and the blade doesn't go back, it doesn't retract. So if you want to put back the blade in a stationary mode, you just want to pull this back. Okay, make sure to not, you know, cut yourself. Okay, here we go. That's it. And just cool, very cool. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe by hitting that button below. Leave a comment, give me a thumbs up, that would be great. You guys take care and have fun.